Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, water jets, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a nice machine that we just went through. We've got it all up and running right now. Everything seems to be working well. It's one of our favorite brands, American made, very, very heavy duty. One of the best brands to be able to get parts for, service. They still know what they're doing. They built them here, they have tech support for them. In fact, you can see we like them so much. Here's an H130H. That's a fully automatic saw right there. That's going to advance your material. You can see all the material right on the top there, cut every piece evenly. We've got an H90A right here. There's another HEM saw. This is another fully automatic, just a little bit smaller. And then we have our big daddy right here. This is a 10 by 20. Very simple semi-automatic saw, meaning it has no feed to feed the material that you would put in yourself, line up where you need to cut and make your cut. It does have a hydraulic vise, as you can see right there. That's the clamping for the vise. It's going to put your piece in there. You have hydraulic guide assist here. You can see, depending on where your material is going to be, if you're going to be cutting some big piece of angle, or if you're going to be cutting something small, you want to move your blade guides in and give you that really nice square cut. We also have our vise right here. You can see open, close, simple. Put your piece in, line up to where you need to be, and you're ready to go. We can hit raise and lower of our arm, find out where we're going to have to be for our material. We have our blade going right now. You can see a very, very big, thick blade. One of the biggest blades you can put on a saw pretty much. Give you a nice clean cut through some big material. We're gonna go ahead and hit blade down and it'll start cutting. So semi-automatic, meaning that you're gonna be controlling the saw, you're gonna be moving your feet in and out, and you'll be making your cuts and changing your vise for whatever you need. Again, vise open. Nice clean cut. Now, if this is the type you're looking for of saw, if you're looking for vertical, horizontal, you can see we have a lot of different types in stock. They're always coming in because we're always looking to purchase. So if you have something for sale, give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website for all of our inventory, videos, prices, pictures, and more information at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.